5DFB jumper cable BNC male-to-male plug 5DFB coaxial cable for CDMA GSM3 G4. 5DFB jumper cable BNC male-to-male plug 5DFB coaxial cable for CDMA GSM3 G4 GLTE Wi-Fi antenna. RF coax cable 30 cm 50 cm 1M review. The 5DFB jumper cable is a high-quality coaxial cable that is perfect for connecting antennas to routers, modems, and other networking devices. The cable is made of 5DFB copper, which provides excellent signal quality and durability. The cable also features a BNC male-to-male connector, which makes it easy to connect to a variety of devices. The 5DFB jumper cable is available in a variety of lengths, from 30 cm to 1 meter. This makes it the perfect choice for a wide range of applications. Whether you need a short cable to connect an antenna to your router or a longer cable to reach a remote antenna, the 5DFB jumper cable has you covered. The 5DFB jumper cable is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality coaxial cable. It is made of durable materials, features a reliable connector, and is available in a variety of lengths. If you are looking for a cable to connect your antenna to your router or modem, the 5DFB jumper cable is a great option. Here are some of the benefits of using the 5DFB jumper cable. High-quality copper construction provides excellent signal quality and durability. BNC male-to-male connector makes it easy to connect to a variety of devices. Available in a variety of lengths to suit your needs. If you are looking for a high-quality coaxial cable, the 5DFB jumper cable is a great option. It is made of durable materials, features a reliable connector, and is available in a variety of lengths.